Welcome to another unboxing. I'm gonna be unboxing Zombie, but the mini version. So let's unbox without further ado this thing. And honestly, this is my first. I forgot to say this is my first Monster Jam little. But however, here is Zombie, and I put the Zombie logo, the Monster Jam logo. Here has the scary face, the arms, but did not go up. Here the brain and nothing, except that the original had the Zombie logo and the Monster Jam Playcom logo. Other side same thing. So, and the difference is the red tire, which is like the nitro neon. So yeah, and with this thing you can move it. And this is my first little mini Monster Jam monster truck. So yeah, that wraps up this unboxing and review video, and I see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye now. So bye.